Hello, so I have another trip already. It's been less than a week and I'm already flying out to Palm Springs. The plane leaves 6 a.m. so we have to be at the airport 5 a.m. So now I'm just going an hour earlier, especially because it's not that busy at my TSA. Y'all, this line is a lot longer than we thought. So, what are the odds we miss our flight? We'll see. Hello. So, we made it. Lydia was a lot early. She was the first one. But me and Ashley, bro, we were living on the edge. I wanted to throw up so many times. Hello everyone. Hey. So I would like to hear people's first impressions of Palm Springs so far.
It's very quaint.
Hot. Yeah, it's a lot more hot vibes. It's a lot more hot than we expected. So a little worried because I only packed one pair of shorts and athleisure. Yeah, in terms of like, you know, but. Oh well, we'll see. What? Okay, a lot of food. Slay. Bruh. This is the life of a vlogger, y'all. Oh my god. Okay. Yes. Slay. Oh. Wow. Ooh, look at the camera. Ooh. Period. Wow, everyone is so slay. How do we turn? Hi guys, so yay. Palm Springs is not what we thought it would be.
Oh my gosh.
So
yeah, Palm Springs minus Coachella is interesting.
It's very cute girl but not hot girl. Yeah. And we came for hot girl.
So hot and sexy.
Yeah. Oh my god. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Look at what? Look at her nails. Oh yes, everyone. We'll have a special nail. Here, let's see. No, let's. Yes. Libra. Yeah.
Okay, so that was fun, but nobody wants to drive us home according to Uber or Lyft. So we're getting an actual taxi. So now we're just, and they also, the employees left. So we're just gonna be stranded for a bit.
Oh my gosh.
Are you cold?
A little bit, but it feels good.
Oh yeah, I feel.
Yeah, I'm glad I did not wear bike shorts.
Yeah.
Is this like the cloud or what is this hazy pollution?
Yeah, probably.
I'm in this.
Even bigger than that. Huge. Oh, yeah, you're probably right. What?
Jeez.
Gosh, that's gorgeous.
Wow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Hi guys.
Hi. Checking in. How are you feeling, Ashley? Are you feeling?
I feel like myself here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lydia. Happy birthday to you. Woo.
I'm blowing it? Yes. Tell me when. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yay! What did they give you? A cookie? Bathroom photo shoot.